Hey, it's Chris, and welcome back to the SAS Something Else Amazon. I'm going to World of Commodore, and I probably already went by the time this video comes out, but I was looking for a way to communicate with my family in the event that cell phone service or anything else was not available, because I don't have coverage in Canada. So I went on the old Amazon and I found this. It's called TIDRADIO. They're global walkie talkies. And here's my unsigned Amazon account, because people keep telling me, you're not buying this crap. Yeah, I'm not signing in, so you can see all my stuff on Amazon and all the stuff that I purchased, but here's my receipt. Anywho, this is the G100, and it's got 5,000 mile coverage. It uses some not cellular service, and it comes with a bunch of stuff. We're just going to open it. I just got it. We're just going to figure it out and see what's what. Directly from them, they're 99 bucks. Comes in a little box that says TIDRADIO. Global has 2 SIM sockets. Global 4G, so it is cellular, POC card. So you get push-to-talk microphones, USB-C, and an earbud, a USB-A to C charging cable, a big battery with drop-in charger capability. I'm from the 90s beeper clip. That's kind of cool, actually. A USB-C to A wall wart, 2 global IoT card LA. Okay, so let's just take a peek at what we got here. We got 2 of the radios. Push the SIM card in the right side and put the latch down. It flips down from the top. Okay, so I did nothing, and we'll line that up there and click it in place. Then you gotta push up to lock it. Okay, there we go. And that locks it in place. Well, that wasn't fun. I guess put the battery on. Pretty beefy units. They're Li-ion battery packs of 3.7 volt, 3000 milliamp, 11.1 watt hour. Press red button. Okay, red button. It says TIDRADIO. Oh, look at that. Log in. Download the OAD Master app. Right, so it's downloading this OAD Master thing. Register. Success. All right, add device. Confirm. Okay, and then I got a plus.
G100 minus 292 logged, join group, device group.
Okay, great. Scan this one. Add that one. This one should yap in a second. There's the 2 devices on my plan. Nothing. Connection fail. Device is offline. The other one says device online. IMEI. It's good for 1 year. I got to recharge the card. Let's see, recharge, no plan. Okay, so we'll wait on that. There it goes. Okay.
G100 minus 9178 logged, joint group, device group.
Okay. So now, if I go like this, let's see. Hello. Speaker status. Use the right speaker. There we go. Hello?
Hello?
It works. Hello?
Hello?
So, this one can talk to this one, but this one can't talk to this one? I need to talk. Can I talk?
Can I talk?
Okay, so it is working. The idea of this is, I thought it's like worldwide, but it's using cellular technology. 4G, this one's got a better signal than this one. What happens if I use the app and just hit the talk button? Can you guys hear me? Yeah, the app, I get to both. Testing number 2. Failed to apply, network fail. Network fail. Full bars. So, what's this one say? This one's good. Hello. Let's turn this one off again. Interesting concept, like the old Nextel. Remember Nextel here? Construction workers could only talk to each other, and it was so overmodulated. Log in. So, one works and one don't. Maybe if I put one over here. Logged in. Logging in. Turn it off near blasting sites. FCC compliance. Status. LED indicator light. Green. Transmitting signal. Red light normally on. Receiving signal. Transmitting. Let me put this over here. Let's grab this one. Can you hear me now? No, it's not red. Can you hear me now?
Can you hear me now?
That's it. Green light if it's receiving. Red light if I can talk. Nope, I'm just holding it down. Is there a network fail?
Shitter was full!
This ain't working for shit. Connection fail. Testing it, but it's not doing too good.
Testing it.
See? Testing it, but it's not doing too good. Hello? It's like I get 5 seconds. 5 minutes and 15, 7:15. So the clocks are off. It's December 1st. This one, November 30th. Today's date, November 30th. Wrong time zone, wrong clock. So this is in the wrong area. December 1st, 2025. November 30th, 2025. Speakable status. What does it say? Speakable status, status, status. So we tap this. That should go green. Okay. Testing this turd.
Testing this.
So, if I tap, that should go green. Now I can actually talk.
Now I can actually talk.
Hit or miss luck. I gotta get the date fixed on this. I'm gonna turn them both off at the same time. Okay, they're off. 1, 2, 3. Turn them on at the same time. I just thought it would be a cool thing to have. You can buy them in a 6-pack. I just got a 2-pack. Wrong date. Now they both have the wrong date and the wrong time. It's December 1st at 7:20 a.m. Let's see. What is the time in Shenzhen, China?
The time in Shenzhen, China, is 7:20 a.m. on Monday.
What is tomorrow's date?
It's Monday, December 1st, 2025.
China time. So this is probably going all the way to China to come all the way back over here. Is it working now? Is this working now? Time zone updated. 18:23. Perfect. It is 6:23 p.m. 11:30, 2020, whatever. Let's do this one too. Hello? There we go.
There we go.
I think this is working.
How about no?
Hello, hello. Apply for the right to speak. Apply for the right to speak. What is going on? Network fail.
Shit!
There's buttons on the side for headphone or mic. I mean, the construction's rugged. Durable plastic. The things are protected. Drop-in charger capable, which is cool. I'd like to get the drop-in charger. There's a nice clear light when you're charging something. Network fail. If I plug it in and network fails, let's try the other one. So this one is online. I'm going to plug it in. Minus the charging indicator here, the battery doesn't say it's charging here. Does this work at all? And turning the knob down, like turning the knob up, turns the volume down. Turn the knob to the left, turns the volume up, which is weird. Everything's backwards. It's like they built them this way and then said, oh shit, snap them together. Green light. Now I can talk when the light goes green. End network fail. What the freaking crap? Let's see, groups. I'm going to rename my group. Groups, I have none. There it is, device group. Can I rename this device group? There's 3 people in the device group. And a history of my talking. Look at that. So they're logging what you do. The radios. Here's everything I said. Look at this. It's not, let me see if I can text. Hello. Testing. I don't know what this is or what it's doing. 3 people in the group, me and 2 radios. Channel name. Can I edit the channel name? Channel's avatar. Group's name. Can't change it. And I can't talk back to this. Yes, it is working. Can you hear me?
Yes, it is working. Can you hear me?
I heard it on my phone. So, I'm kind of at a loss here. I can press this and talk to both radios at the same time. This one connection failed, and that one is not getting any signal. Currently, I cannot recommend these at the moment because they both have great 4G signal. This one now says it can speak, but this one can't because the connection has failed. They're both right next to each other. Network failed to apply for the right to speak when they feel like working. They're both online at the moment. Testing 1, 2, 3. Nope. If I click me, my moment, it's like a crappy social media, about us, help and support, APRS, PTT, transmitting codes to China. Why is this now working? Loop back from the speakers. Did I just need to let them sit? So that was no lag. I guess I got a good connection to China. I don't know. You're just hearing round robin from the speakers picking up the microphone, but they're working. So that's the I don't know. I had some initial mess ups with these, and then updating the firmware and letting them sit for a bit, and now they're fine. I wish I would have named the device group something else besides device group, but they got the fashionable I am a security guard clip, and whatever, I can make the beep. Hello, how are you today?
How are you?
And if I click the button, it cuts them off. Sorry about that, I clicked the button too fast. I have to let go when I'm done talking. Okay, so it's not a cell phone. It's a walkie-talkie. I wish I could get the beep at the end of that. Okay, thank you for talking to yourself. It said thank you for yourself, not talking to yourself. Anyway, we're going to give these a long-term test when I go to Canada. I'll leave one here with Mona. If it stays connected, we'll just leave it plugged in and charged all the time just in case. And I'll take one on the road with me and we'll see how they hold up. And if they allow them in. I don't know. So stay tuned for more updates on the TID Global Talk radios. This is the GS100 or G100 manual. They were 99 bucks on Amazon, and I figured why not, because multiple ways to connect without the cell phone, that you need an app on a cell phone to make them work with a 1-year 800 meg data plan. Well, as far as the TID radio, network fail. So I am unable to complete the test of 450 miles away from home because it doesn't connect to the network. Network fail.
What do you know from funny, you bastard?